started. First, we're gonna marinate the ribs. Add some turmeric powder. We're giving an Indian touch. Red chili powder. Garam masala. Some pepper. You can smell it. Some salt. Barbecue, all-purpose barbecue seasoning. This is the one we're using. And lastly, a touch of oil. Smooth it together. Do the same thing on the other side. Marinate about 30 minutes. It has been 30 minutes now. Bake this in a 400-degree preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes. It's about 25 minutes. Now we took it out of our oven, and now it's time to flip it. We are going to put it back in our oven for about another 25 minutes. It has been 45 minutes now and our ribs are cooked. Now we're going to apply some barbecue sauce and put it in the oven again for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is the barbecue sauce we're using. We're going to put it back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Our ribs are now ready. I'm going to cut our ribs.